Okay guys, so here it goes. It's Marsha's birthday and we're heading to Negril, going to Ocean Cliff. Right, man, I get the place wrong. But one day I try to capture the sunset and it now work out the sunset around the left. But you see, alright, we're heading on the same way. Driving up one and hopefully, we can catch the sunset before it go down. They are going to take in the scenery, boom, we reach, sunset gone. But you don't see like a orange round at the background, you saw like a remnants of it. Taking out the scenery and in the evening it looks so nice. It look like somewhere in the Philippines or something like that. But this is what the place looks like. Didn't get to show you guys in the check-in part and so forth because I wasn't sure if I wanted to vlog, but the place just looks so nice. I said no, I have to take out my phone and do it. So nice little attendant there, she was so helpful. Everything that we needed to know, she explained it to the team. I tell her the place clean and nice. If you guys are looking for a little hideaway spot, check it out. Look on the room. So I was thinking about a little cottage in Negril kind of thing, but to pull up on the room look nice. Bed big, mattress now look like it work out. Mattress nice and sturdy. Nice little shower area. Hot water, hot. You have to wait long for like the water have to charge up. No, place nice and clean. Towel them clean and fresh like them wash just before we reach. Yeah, so we stay so boom and bus side door and check out what go on. Open the door and look, no garden out there on patio, so apparently we got the garden view. And this was just in Tanta Blocks for a spectacular. Yeah, so she was showing us how to operate the shower. I don't know if she feel like we handicapped the shower or what, but she showed us how to operate the shower. It was a little bit tricky, but yeah, we got it. Nice and things. So we say, alright, boom now. Heading to the restaurant for dinner. I'm kind of hungry. May I tell you from outside, you smell the food. The food just perforating the whole place. It's like it inoculating your nose. I say, no man, chef really are going good. Now you see how the food tastes. But like, if it tastes like how it smells. Outside them have a little light show thing going on. Showing you a little ramp right there. They're physically challenged friendly. So if you're using a wheelchair, all the areas are ramped out and yeah. So this is on the deck area. We had our dinner outside. Was trying to capture a little bit of 7 Mile Beach, never worked out. This is my dinner. I took the chicken Alfredo pasta. Nice. Boom. Breakfast. We took the continental breakfast. Consisted of egg and toast and banana bread, and that's the Blue Maho restaurant. You can actually go to the restaurant without staying at the hotel. The spa, you can actually go to the spa without staying at the hotel. Boom, in the morning now we decide to make a little tour and see what going outside because we had pulled up in the evening. So this is what the place looks like in the day. Breathtaking. Actually, this is the only Negril Point location that I've been to that actually has a little beach. Yeah, nice little beach areas there where you can go and take a little swim and thing. Yeah, you see moss in the water, but don't mind that water still crystal clear and nice. Just take out the scenery. Breathtaking. So going along, checking out the area, and I could just video this place all day. Just look at it. The water just perfectly turquoise. Just captures that and complements the sky so well. Yeah, man. Just giving you a little view of the entire coastal area there. I'm gonna try to do a little zoom up thing right here now. Show you what's going on in the water. Look, you see something. You see a boat. Fisherman them out. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's just lovely. Lovely. You guys need to check it out. Apart from the awesome customer service, the place itself, the grounds well kept and clean, and I can't say that I encountered any unfriendly person that works there, all the staff just made you feel so comfortable. Like this is a place where you want to spend more than 2 days there. You just want to kick back and relax, unplug, and just detox from the world itself. Just recharge and get energized to take on whatever it is that you have to do. But yeah, man. Anytime when you guys want to, think of somewhere to stay, this is the right place. And this is just me here acting a fool. Yes, doing my little dive thingy. Yo, this is a saltwater pool. Awesome. So much better than the freshwater pool. It was amazing. And then here, I have a little shower area. I was just flexing and just having fun. Like as I said, this place just brings out the best in you. It was a whole vibe. So yeah, just goofing off and relaxing and having some fun. You know where you go.